A $4.9 trillion asset manager just dropped a major Bitcoin warning, and it could mean a supply shock is coming sooner than most expect. Let's break it down. Quick disclaimer: this is not financial advice. Always do your own research before investing in crypto, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Here's the story. Fidelity Digital Assets just released a new report called Bitcoin's Illiquid Supply. Researcher Zach Wainwright says public companies and long-term holders could soon control as much as 28% of Bitcoin's fixed 21 million supply by the end of this year. As of right now, public companies already hold over 1,013,938 BTC, nearly 5% of all circulating Bitcoin. The report also shows that companies holding more than 1,000 BTC account for 97% of this stash. Combine that with wallets that haven't moved in over 7 years, and it's clear more and more Bitcoin is being locked away by diamond-handed whales and corporate treasuries. Fidelity projects that by 2032, more than 42% of all Bitcoin, that's 8.3 million BTC, will be completely illiquid. In other words, off the market and unavailable for trading. That scarcity is exactly what drives the supply shock narrative many Bitcoin bulls have been waiting for. And it's not just Bitcoin. Ethereum is also seeing massive accumulation. Corporate treasuries have grabbed more than 4% of ETH supply in just months, and with ETH ETFs live, over 5.5% has already been absorbed. The appeal? ETH staking offers 3–4% yields, giving companies both price exposure and passive income. Now, where does the price stand? Bitcoin is trading around $115,600, holding steady but still 7.2% off its all-time highs. The key levels to watch are $113,500, $113,670 as support. If that breaks, analysts say we could dip to $107,600 before a sharp reversal. JP Morgan even predicts a dump tomorrow after the Fed's 25 BPS rate cut, followed by a new all-time high. That's why some smart money is hedging into presales that aren't exposed to Fed volatility. Case in point, Pepenode, a Pepe-themed memecoin presale that's already raised $1.2 million. What makes it stand out? A mix of virtual mining, staking with insane APYs, over 1,150%, and a price stage presale model where early buyers are automatically in profit at each stage. With only 48 hours left before the next price jump, hype is building fast. Link in description and pinned comment. Outlook? Whether tomorrow brings a Fed-fueled dump or pump, the bigger picture is clear. Bitcoin is becoming scarcer and institutions are hoarding. That long-term supply crunch could be the real story of this cycle. What do you think? Will the Fed trigger a short-term shakeout, or are we on the verge of Bitcoin's next parabolic run? Let us know in the comments. If you found this helpful, give us a like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next update. And if you're serious about crypto in 2025, you need a secure, flexible, and feature-packed wallet. Best Wallet is our top choice. Non-custodial, no KYC, and built for both presale hunters and long-term holders. Check it out in the description.